Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. So, we have learned about in this month we are learning about animals. You know not in this month we have learned about animals, pet animals. We have learned about pet animals, wild animals, wild animals, farm animals, then domestic animal. Okay, we have learned about pet animals. Pet animals are those animals which live with us in our house and they are not harmful to us, like dog, cat, rabbit, mouse, cow, buffalo. They all are pet animals. Wild animals. Wild animals are those animals which live in forest and they are harmful to us. Okay. So, the next, farm animal. Farm animals are those animals which help us in doing our work. Those help in our farm. ओके जो हमें खेत में काम करने में मदद करते हैं. ऑक्स, बफेलो, काउ, दे ऑल आर फार्म एनिमल. नेक्स्ट, domestic animal. Domestic animals which help in our work, like donkey carries loads and from one place to another. The next, which animal? Horse. Horse animal. We ride on the horse and then we use horse for goods also, for carry goods also from one place to another. Okay, so we have learned about these animals: pet, wild, farm, domestic. And then after that we have learned animals home. We have learned homes of these animals also. We have learned homes of these animals. We have learned the home of the animals. जैसे हम घर में रहते हैं वैसे एनिमल्स भी उनके घर में रहते हैं. ओके, एंड दे हैव हॉर्स लिव इन. Where does horse live? Horse live in kennel and cow live in shade. Rabbit live in the burrows under the land. Burrows means land के जो नीचे वो holes करके वहाँ पर rabbits रहते हैं. Mouse, holes in the holes, wall hole. Okay. Horse, stable. Hen, cock. Spider, web, ant hill. Okay, we have learned all this, their homes. And after that we have learned food of the animal. We have learned food of the animal. What does animal eat? Rabbit eat carrot. Bear eat honey. Cow eat grass. Goat eat leaves. Parrot eat chili. Dog eat bones. Cat drink milk. Monkey eat bananas. We have learned all these things. Okay. So today we will learn animals babies. आज हम एनिमल्स के बेबीज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, उनके नाम पढ़ेंगे. जैसे आप आपके मम्मा के बेबीज हो ना, वैसे ही एनिमल्स के भी बेबीज होते हैं. ओके, सो टुडे वी विल लर्न नेम ऑफ द एनिमल्स babies. What we will learn? Today we will learn name of the animals babies. Very good. Very good, my dear children. You are so sweet and fun. Okay. So all of you fold your hands. Yes. All of you fold your hands. And today we will learn name of animals baby. एनिमल्स के छोटे छोटे बेबीज होते हैं ना, बहुत क्यूट क्यूट होते हैं. दे आर सो क्यूट. सो व्हाट टुडे वी विल लर्न नेम ऑफ एनिमल्स बेबीज. आज हम एनिमल्स के बेबीज के नाम पढ़ेंगे. क्या पढ़ेंगे? आज हम एनिमल्स के बेबीज के नाम पढ़ेंगे. जैसे मम्मा के आप छोटे छोटे बेबीज हो ना, वैसे एनिमल्स के भी छोटे छोटे बेबीज होते हैं. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट द नेम ऑफ एनिमल बेबीज. नाउ लुक हियर. Which animal is this? This is wild animal. Which animal is this? Tell me the name of this animal. Lion. Yes. This is lioness. This is lioness. This is lion. Where does lion live? Tell me. Where does lion live? Lion live in forest. Very good. Lion. L for lion. Where does lion live? Lion live in forest. And lion, which animal is this? Pet animal or wild animal? Tell me, which animal is this? Pet animal or wild animal? This is wild animal because lion lives in forest. Because lion lives in forest. So this is a wild animal. And look here the babies of lion. देखो एनिमल के छोटे छोटे babies. Look here, babies of lion. What does the babies of lion? Lion की babies को क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, do you know? Do you know? आपको पता है? Okay. Lion babies is cubs. C-U-B-S. Cubs. The name of lion babies is cubs. Lion की babies को क्या बोलते हैं? Lion की babies को cubs. Lion की babies को क्या बोलते हैं? Cubs. What we say? The name of lion babies? Cubs. You also say with me. Lion babies are cubs. Lion babies are cubs. Lion babies are cubs. Okay. What we say? Lion babies are cubs. Okay. Yes, very good. Lion babies are cubs. Now look here. This animal is very big and live in forest. And this animal has big trunk. Tell me the name of animal. Think, which animal is this? It is very big and it has big trunk. Tell me, which animal is this? This is elephant. Which animal is this? Elephant. It is very big, no? It has big trunk. Yes. So which animal is this? This is pet animal or wild animal? This is Wild animal. Which animal is this? This is wild animal. E for elephant. Okay. Look here. E for elephant. Okay. Now, next. Look here, baby. Look here, elephant baby. You're saying, able to see animal baby, elephant baby? What does elephant baby call? Calf. What does elephant baby call? Calf. What does animal baby call? Calf. Look here, animal baby. It is so cute now. It is so small and cute. Yes. So, animal baby is calf. Elephant baby is calf. Okay. Lion babies, cubs. Elephant babies, calf. Yes, you also tell with me. Elephant babies, calf. Lion babies, cubs. Now next, which animal will come? Yes, tell me, which animal will come? Look here, which animal is this? This is zebra. Which animal is this? This is zebra. Okay, look here, baby of zebra. Look here, baby of zebra. What does baby of zebra do? Fowl. Okay, zebra baby is fowl. Tell me. F-O-A-L. Fowl. Zebra baby is fowl. Zebra baby is fowl. Zebra baby is fowl. Lion, cubs. Name of the lion babies are cubs. Elephant, calf. Zebra, fowl. Okay. Do you like dog? Do you like dog? Yes. Now tell me the name of dog baby. Dogs baby. Yes, tell me the name of dogs baby. डॉग की बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं? छोटे छोटे डॉग्स की बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं? पपीज. क्या बोलते हैं? पपी. What we say dogs baby? Puppy. Okay. Dogs babies are puppies. Dogs की बेबी को puppies बोलते हैं. छोटे छोटे puppies होते हैं ना? Yes. Now next, cat. You have seen cat babies? बिल्ली की छोटे छोटे बेबीज को देखा है? छोटे से बच्चों को देखा है? Yes. So what we say cat babies? Kitten. What we say? Kitten. Cat babies are kitten. Dog, puppy. Cat, kitten. Okay. These all are names of. These all are we call the name babies of the animals. Okay. Dog animals we call puppy. Cat animals which we call cat babies we call kitten. Dog babies puppies. Cat kitten. Okay. Then next animal is chicken. You have seen chicken? Yes, in morning it say yes, they are running here and there. So name of chicken baby is chick. What is the name of chicken baby? What we call chick. Dog, puppies. Cat, kitten. Chicken, chick. Chicken, chick. Chicken, chick. The name of chicken babies are chick. Dog babies, puppy. Cat babies, kitten. Chicken, chicks. Okay, now next. Sheep. Sheep. We have seen a sheep. Sheep. Name of sheep देखी ना आपने? Yes, that give wool. Yes. So, sheep baby is lamb. What we call? Lamb. It is small and it's run very fast. Okay. So, sheep baby is lamb. Dog, puppy, cat, kitten, chicken, chick, sheep, lamb. The next, cow. We have seen cow. And you have seen the baby of cow. It is so small. It doesn't have horns also. Okay. So, cow baby is calf. Cow baby is known as calf. Cow baby is known as calf. Dog, puppies. Cat, kittens. Chicken, chick. Sheep, lamb. Cow, calf. Okay. What we are learning today? We are learning names of animals' babies. Okay. We are learning names of animal babies. Lion, cubs. Elephant, calf. Zebra, fawn. Dog, puppy. Cat, kitten. Chicken, chick. Sheep, lamb. Cow, calf. Okay. Then name of, look here, tiger. What is the name of tiger babies? What we call tiger babies? Cub. Okay. Tiger babies is known as cub. Tiger baby is known as cub. Very good. Now, you have seen pig. You have seen pig. Pig means pig. Pig कौन सा एनिमल को बोलते हैं? सुअर को बोलते हैं ना? Okay. So pig. You have seen there are so many babies of pig. Pig के बहुत सारे babies होते हैं. Yes. So what we call piglet. Piglet. Okay. Name of pig baby is piglet. Pig, piglet. Pig, piglet. Pig, piglet. Okay. Then next, duck. You have seen duck? आपने duck देखी है? Duck देखी है ना आपने? Okay. So duck baby is duckling. What we call? Duck baby, duckling. Duck, duckling. Duck, duckling. What we call duck baby? Duckling. Okay, duck, duckling. Now look here. What? Who is this? This is chimpanzee. Who is this? This is chimpanzee. Look here, chimpanzee baby is there na? Okay. So what we call infant. Chimpanzee baby is infant. Chimpanzee baby is known as infant. 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 Okay. Chimpanzee baby is infant. Infant. Okay. Now look here. Which animal is this? This is panda. Which animal is this? Panda. And animal and panda baby is cub. Panda baby is cub. Which animal is this? Panda. And look here, this so small, cute baby. Cub. Okay. Then next, we have learned name of so many animals, baby. Lion, cubs, elephant, calf, zebra, foal, pig, piglets, dog, puppy, cat, kitten, chicken, chick, sheep, lamb, cow, calf, duck, duckling. Okay, what we have learned? Today we have learned name of animals, baby. Okay, you have seen the animals. You have seen the animals. You have seen so many animals, and you have seen babies also. Okay, so whenever you see the animals and their babies, you have to repeat the name of that animals and babies. You have to revise the name at home. Lion, cubs, elephant, calf, zebra, foal, pig, piglet, dog, puppy, cat, kitten, chicken, chick, sheep, lamb, cow, calf, duck, duckling. There are so many other animals also. Today we have learned the names of their babies. So all of you do revision of what I have taught you today. Revise it again and again. Repeat the names of babies and animals also. Okay, at home, whenever you meet me, I will ask you, or I will come at your home and ask you. Okay? Yes. So, till then, look after yourself and we will meet in next lecture. Bye. Have a nice day.